Gold is setting up for a move next week that could catch most traders completely off guard. Because right now the chart is showing a signal that usually right from a strong reversal or explosive breakout. Okay, and here's the truth: 90% of the traders will get trapped in this move. So before you take a next trade on gold, watch this till the end because this could save you from a costly mistake. Like institutional do, gold is currently reacting to three major forces. Okay, the US dollar strength, interest rate expectation, and market uncertainty. Right now the dollar has been holding a relatively strong, because if you see that if the price started of dollar index started moving below 96, then we can see it can fall, but as of now it is moving above that level. Okay, and which is keeping the gold from pushing higher. But at the same time, inflation concern and global uncertainty are still supporting gold prices. So what does that mean? The market is conflicting phase, and when market gets stuck like this, a big move usually follow. This is not trending market, this is setup phase. Okay, so in this video I will be explaining you weekly chart, day wise chart, and a 2 hours chart, as well as explain you with the help of geopoliticals, okay, market uncertainties, as well as how the Fed and US dollars affecting the price of gold in the next week. If you look at the particular chart, what we have seen from 2 weeks, there is a continuous downside. Okay, this is the technical thing which I'm explaining you, or this is a weekly chart. If you see from this, we can see on the chart gold is showing a sign of weakening as well as near the highs. Okay, and more importantly, a bearish engulfing pattern is formed, and this is not something you should be ignoring, because this pattern often signal exhaustion of buyer potential, reversal and liquidity grab before a move. If you see this is a week chart where we have seen that these are the levels where the buyers being rejected and a swing is formed and a continuous upside is seen, and from there we have seen from two, see at these levels we have seen there is a continuous swing has formed, and from there is a continuous upside. But if you look at from the perspective, we can see that at these high we have seen weakening levels. Okay, now in this particular, if you see this particular clearly, we can see and we have seen opposite U pattern has formed. After that there is an upside, and chances are very high that if the price keep moving below 45 $43, which is a strong level, understand that is a strong support, this support one, and this is a strong level also. So if the price come touch this level, we can see a bounce back can come. Always understand that for the future purpose also, you will see that this level is a very important level. If the price touches this level, we can see the price can bounce back from that level. Okay, and but if the price didn't bounce back, it can touch a level of 45.12, which is support 2. And if the price going below that particular level, we will see that the price can go further down. It will move towards 43.82, which is support 3. Okay, and if the price going below that particular level, yes, after that the price can go further low. And yes, if you see this particular level, if you 337, a further downfall can be seen towards 42.75. Okay, and from there we can see a level of 42.45. This 42.45 is also an important level. We can see a bounce back from this level, but understand that this particular level of 4092, this pattern is suggesting that the price can move below this level. Once started moving below $43.86, which is also an important part after level on 45.45. Okay, this pattern is suggesting a downside. As soon as the price started falling below a level of $43.80, chance of going towards 42.45 can be seen. From there a level 4098. These are the four important levels that you have to understand that the price can move further low. Okay, coming back, if suppose if it started going upside or didn't touch this level, or if it touches that level and bounce back, what you get, suppose if it started touching that level and bounce back, we can see it can move towards a level of $46.13, and this is an important level. Understand, if the price keep moving above this level, which is an R1, and if the price resistance one upside, we can see a level of $46.50, and once the price moving out of that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards 47.30, which is resistance. And if the price going above that particular level, chances are high it can move towards 48.03, then to a level of 48.40, and then to a level of 48.58, and then it will move above a level of $48.95, which is resistance 5. Keep that in mind, because the probability of upside can be seen if the price keep moving above 4600. Trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture upside movement as well as downside movement 45 is an important level. If the price move below that level, we can see there can be a downside, but if the price keep moving off 4600, you can see there can be an upside movement. So trail your SL again by 10 to $15. So at least you'll capture upside movement. Okay, and that is the week high is around 4730. So we can see if the price keep moving on this level, a further upside can be seen, but overall trend is downside if you see from this particular perspective. Because if you see from this particular level, we have seen there was a bullish engulfing candle was forming, but if that didn't sustain, okay, this is a weekly chart. This pattern is suggesting a downside, but if you go on a monthly chart, you will see that there is a pattern showing that there is a chance of downside. Because if you see that we have seen a red candle is forming, and then another red candle is forming in between this particular candle, and this is a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting that there is a probability of next downside movement. Okay, but if you see that the price if started moving below a level of 45 45 $51 on a monthly chart, we can see that the price will move further down if it started going below this level. But if it keeps sustaining this level, a further upside can be seen. Trailing is very important, so you have can trail your SL by 10 to $15. Okay, now if you see on a day wise chart, what you can see, if you look at the day wise chart, we can see that these are the two levels. See, if you have seen on a weekly chart, these are green candles, but this is a red candle. So this is the pattern we can see. An opposite U pattern is forming on the day wise chart, and this is an upside. So if the price keep moving below this level, if you look at this particular pattern, we have seen an opposite U pattern has formed. Okay, and chances are very high that if it started going below that level, we can see there can be a further downfall towards $44, then to a level of 44.95. And if the price going below that level, we will see the price can come down towards a level of around 44.32, and from there a level of $43.77 to a level of 43.56, because this pattern suggesting a downside movement. But if it keep rising off that level, we can see a level of 46.34, then to a level of 46.83, and then it can move towards 47.67, and then a further upside can be seen towards a level of 4800. Okay, trailing your SL is very important by around 10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement as well as downside. Okay, this is what we have seen in the technical part. Because see, you have to understand during the market structure right now, price is slowing down, momentum is fading, and volatility is pressing. If you see the bearish pattern we have seen, if the price move below 43.56, we can see a further fall, or 45.45, we can see a further fall. But if the price started going above 4600, a further upside can be seen. On the sideways, there you have to understand gold stay in range, sometimes fake breakout, stop hunts, or choppy moves we have seen. So what you have to understand, see a clear breakout, then only you have to enter for the buy side as well as sell side. So next week is not normal for gold. This is the decision zone. So once the move start, it will be fast, it will be aggressive, and most trader will miss it. So if you want to stay ahead of the market, subscribe now for weekly gold analysis. Comment below bullish or bearish for next week.